come they have so much when the butcher stores have so little? Hi, girls. Pull up some flab and sit down. I see you finished the coconut custard pie.
It really hit the spot.
How could have missed that target? Can't stop inflation, can they?
Oh, I saw that cream pie yesterday.
Now, it was cream pie yesterday. Today it's cheesecake.
What about these chocolate bars?
Oh, can't do it. That stuff belongs to the Army. This is what I'm selling, and it'll certainly start your second front.
Huh?
I mean third.
Say, those eclairs you sold us didn't have any filling in them. They were just empty shells.
Well, I'm not the man I was either. Say, how about some non-fattening chocolate coconut cream bars? It'll make your stomach laugh right out loud.
Non-fattening, it can't be.
Oh, now, you've got to have a little faith in me.
They're heaven, sheer heaven.
Heaven can wait. They're $1.50.
Plainly marked right there on the box. 25 cents.
It can't be plainly marked. I tried to rub it out. It's synthetic rubber.
But $1.50 for a 25-cent box, it's robbery.
Lady, you wouldn't want to cheat me out of the sales tax, would you? Besides, look at all the fun you can have for $1.50, and the chance I'd take bootlegging this stuff to you gals. Why, if a certain party ever caught me, why, I'd just be... Shoo, shoo. Go away, duck, blow. It's a raid. Back to your hangars. Go ahead, spread out. Go ahead.
So, you're the one that's been stuffing those 2 turkeys.
Well, how dare you? We don't have to stand here and be insulted for our good $8 a day.
No, there's a place down the road where you can be insulted for $2 a day. I'll see you inside.
Yes, honey. At least leave the Jeep, huh?